Hey everyone, today I'm going to review the iBUYPOWER Element CL pre-built desktop gaming PC. At any point during the video, if you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and grab it at a wonderful price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Introducing the iBUYPOWER Element CL Gaming Desktop, a machine that's designed to handle everything from high-octane gaming to serious content creation. If you're looking to level up your setup, stick around as we break down why this might just be your next great investment. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the Intel Core i7-14700K processor. This powerhouse runs at a speedy 3.4 GHz and is built to tackle demanding applications with ease. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA games, rendering high-resolution videos, or juggling multiple tasks, this CPU delivers the performance you need. Now, let's talk about the visuals. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 12GB graphics card is a game changer. Imagine playing your favorite games in stunning detail with ray tracing and ultra settings. The 12GB of dedicated VRAM ensures that you can enjoy smooth and immersive gameplay without worrying about lag or stutter. For those of you who like to multitask, the iBUYPOWER Element CL doesn't disappoint. With 32GB of DDR5 RGB RAM, you'll have all the memory you need to run multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously. Plus, the 2TB NVMe SSD means you'll experience lightning-fast boot times and ample space for all your games, projects, and media. Keeping this beast cool and quiet is the Hardline Liquid Cooling system paired with RGB fans, all housed in the sleek Element CL chassis. Not only does this ensure optimal performance during intense gaming sessions, but it also adds a touch of style with customizable RGB lighting that makes your setup stand out. Windows 11 Home Advanced comes pre-installed, so you can start using your new PC right out of the box. The included gaming keyboard and mouse with RGB lighting add a bit of flair and functionality to your gaming setup. And don't forget, this PC is Wi-Fi ready, ensuring you're always connected. Of course, no product is perfect. One potential drawback to consider is that the Element CL doesn't come with a dedicated graphics card for tasks outside of gaming, such as 3D modeling or VR. If you're into those types of activities, you might need to upgrade in the future. Overall, the iBUYPOWER Element CL Gaming Desktop is a stellar choice for gamers and content creators looking for a powerful, stylish, and efficient machine. With its high-end components and eye-catching design, it's ready to handle whatever you throw at it, whether that's high FPS gaming, video editing, or just everyday multitasking. If you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure you check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.